So I'm really busy right now, and so I don't have time to do a video, but I thought I'd show you this really quick way that I put together my salads. If you're struggling for how do I fit in, the time to make healthy choices, I prep my vegetables in my food processor. There it is. During, like on the weekend, just takes a few minutes in my food processor, and I slice up all these vegetables. Then I put them in these containers, which I end up putting in here. And then when I want to do a salad, this container separate, all I do is pull them out of the little container. They all fit right into here in my fridge. And then I just go around here and I just pop each one open. I'm doing this on my iPhone, so it's so easy. You get these at like Bed Bath & Beyond. You can also get them at other stores, but I wanted in individual sizes, so I had to get them all at Bed Bath & Beyond. A little pricey at first, but you know what? In the long run, it pays off. Because now look, I put them right here. I keep these little portable salad bowl containers when I get salads from Panera, and I just clean them out. Because I'm going to go watch my grandkids today, and I don't have time to, find a dish and, cover. Anyway, they're just real easy and portable. So then I just put this time I've got this spinach leaves, and then I just load up everything I like on it, put the lid on it, and then I'll throw it in my bag to go watch my grandkids. And then these stay real fresh. I just pop the lids all back on. And I'm sorry this is going all over because I'm holding it. And they all go back into my little container here. Sorry, this is a little crazy. They all just slide right back in here. They all fit perfectly. You can see in the picture. And I hope this little hint might help you. I find out when people share little hints, and it helps keep me on track, that I'm more successful. And one of my favorite dressings is the Panera poppy seed. You can have 2 tablespoons. It's only 1 point, and it's so good. It's my favorite. Think of all that one and the Olive Garden Light. Hope this helps you. I know it's a short video. I'm going to be away this weekend. I won't be able to post food, so I'm just doing this real quick on my iPhone. We'll see how it turns out, but here's how I make my salads, and makes it real quick too for dinner at night. Sometimes I just make chicken breasts real quick and throw together a nice salad. It's already ready to go. Prepping really saves in the long run on your points and your time. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, share it with others so other people might be able to do the same thing if this helps them. Thank you. See you on the next video. Bye. It's Linda. Bye.